Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. Super excited. This is for the month of January. Still trying to get on the ball with these things because I was very consistent with it before, and then like I said, a lot of things happened, so we're getting back in the groove of things. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. I kind of wanted to start doing like try on Boxycharms, but we'll see. I don't really have any makeup on today, and I don't know, I'm just gonna, you know, do my usual little unboxing and swatches and stuff. So yeah, this is my new sweater that I got from Fashion Nova. It's so good, and it actually came in really good hands today because it's like freezing in Florida. Like, what's wrong? Anyways, all right, so this is the theme. It is Rock 2018. And as usual, don't forget to take a picture of your box. Follow them on Instagram at boxycharm.com. I mean at Boxycharm, my bad. And then when you share your images, your image, don't forget to hashtag Boxycharm. So when you share your image, don't forget to tag them and use hashtag Boxycharm, hashtag BoxyMail, and hashtag BoxyRock, which is for this month, the January thing. So as usual, the way that I like to do my Boxycharms is go through them randomly, and then like I have the little info sheet right here, and I have my phone because what I usually like to do is add up the price of the box. So we are just gonna go right into it, and I have my calculator open right now, and I'm just gonna grab the first thing that I got. So the first thing is Pores No More Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt. And these are all full-size products. So this bad boy is $38 freaking dollars. That's already more expensive than the box itself. So this luminizer primer delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated flawless complexion. So, and it is $38. So it doesn't have a scent or anything. Let me know what you guys think, if I should either do like try-ons or maybe do like a video where it's, you know, using things you get to start putting some of this stuff to use. So anyways, $38 is the first one. All right, so we're gonna go into the next thing. Grab it, whatever, it's good. I wanted to leave it to last, but this is the Glam Metals by Crown Pro. It's a palette. Guys, come on. Boxycharm is stepping it up like on a serious note. So before FEBURARY, so we're gonna look at these. Oh, we're gonna look at these colors. Jeez. Ooh, I'm already loving the color. So this is the colors. Let's do this. Oh, guys, look at that pigment right there. Oh my god. Let's see this. Like at the pigment. And so it has like 2 mattes, and then there's like a lot of shimmers, so it's pretty good. Let's see. Right there. Look at that. Gosh, that is like really insane pigment right there. And it's super smooth, so I'm really excited. If y'all want to see a tutorial with this, let me know down below in the comments, or give this video a like. Don't forget to share it as well. So yeah, I will be excited. This is a $25 palette, so we're gonna go ahead and add 25 to that. All right, so let's see. Next thing is by Pure, and we all know Pure is actually kind of on the pricey side already. So Pure, this is the Pure Complexion Authority. It's a bronze and brighten highlight cheek palette, and this retails for $34. And It's really small in amount, so it's perfect for traveling. You just throw it in your little makeup bag and you're good to go. So let's do that. And let's see what we got in here. Ooh, guys. So this is the shades right here. Oh my god, look at this. This is some stuff right here. Wow. Okay, so oh my god, these are, guys, these are super pigmented. Oh my god, look at this. And I feel so bad that I already messed it up, but I'm gonna be using this a lot. I'm gonna put them right, oops. So look at that bronzer. This is the highlight and this is the blush right there. Look at that pigment right there. The pigment on this, you guys. This Boxycharm is taking the win right now. Okay. All right. So the next thing is It Brow Power. I think we can do this. Universal Taupe. Oh my god. So the It Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil is $24. Developed with plastic surgeons. It Cosmetics #1 best-selling award-winning eyebrow pencil is infused with brow enhancing biotin, lichen, saw, palmetto, nettle, green tea, antioxidants, grapeseed, vitamins A, B, B5, C, and E, plus proprietary brow power technology to give you the most beautiful, natural looking brows, even if you have none at all. Okay, well, we'll see about that. Plus, its universal transforming shade adjusts to all hair colors based on pressure. Its exclusive oval tip mimics the look of real hair, and it includes a built-in grooming spoolie brush for polished perfection. So I just have like a little bit of brow gel on, but I think we can do this. It's a really nice pen though. It's not even like plasticky or whatever. So one side has a spoolie, so I'm just gonna brush through these brows, any gel that I might have. Okay, so I zoomed in just a little bit so you guys can like see the brow. It is a little thick, I feel, because it's probably because I already had, but I only have like brow gel on, like filler gel. But I like it. It's not bad. It's not bad. I like it. I like the shape too, so I'm gonna play with it. Definitely have to like play with it at first because it is a new product, and you gotta, I don't know, I felt like I had to run a little bit. It doesn't like glide on, but I feel like with use it might do that. So we're good, okay? And the last product in here is Girlactik. Oh my gosh, this is okay. I've been wanting to try Girlactik their lip paint for quite some time, so I'm excited that I got one in here, and it's full size right here. So I actually have some lipstick on, but I'm gonna wipe it off. It's full size. All these products are full size, and it's $23, so I'm gonna add $23 to that. Yeah, it's $23. Original liquid lipstick formulas that is still true to its word. Lightweight, long-wearing, non-cracking, and won't settle. For better application, do not apply a lip balm or a lip primer. Come again? Is this a typo or is this for real? Like, if you guys have tried Girlactik before, please let me know. But I've never heard that before. I thought putting a lip balm or lip primer before liquid lip is a must. So anyways, this color is Demure. And let's see. Oh, it smells so yummy. So it does feel lightweight. It does feel like buttery. I'm loving the color. I'm loving the color a lot. I like it. So obviously I can't test the wear right now, but maybe I will test the wear on another day and I'll like take a picture and then maybe give you my thoughts on Instagram. So don't forget to check my socials and everything down below so you can keep updates and keep tabs on me, you know. I know it looks awkward, like I have one brow and it dries super fast. It's drying really nicely. I feel like it's not settling in my lines, considering that my lips are a little bit chapped because I already had liquid lip on beforehand. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm really loving this color a lot. So yeah, that is the last product. So just to double check, I'll give you guys the final price. So we have $38 for the Dr. Brandt Pore No More Luminizer. We have $24 for the IT Cosmetics Brow Power. We have $25 for the Crown Pro Glam Metals palette. We have $34 for the Bronze and Brighten Cheek palette by Pure. And then we have $23 for the Girlactik matte lip paint. And that comes up to a whopping $144 for this box. Boxycharm, you have outdone yourself this month. Literally, I'm super excited and happy with every single product that I got in this. Like for $21 a month, you guys, I just got $144 worth of free full-size makeup, basically. Like basically, not one single item in this was $21. Like if anything, I got everything free except this. I basically say that I paid for this. Like that's freaking amazing, you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much my quick little unboxing for Boxycharm. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, don't forget to follow them on Instagram. And if you got a Boxycharm, let me know what you guys thought about everything that you got in your palette. In your box, I mean. And don't forget to share and, you know, hashtag and all that good stuff so that you can, you know, hopefully win a chance to win a box with over $400 worth of makeup. And we get in there. This one was $144. Like, that's pretty bomb. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick Boxycharm unboxing for January. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.